Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, your trusted destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, performance breakdowns, and everything two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the world of simplicity, reliability, and adventure with the 2026 Suzuki DR200, a small displacement dual-sport bike that continues to prove that less can indeed be more. Suzuki has refined this lightweight machine for 2026, blending efficiency, durability, and off-road versatility into a motorcycle that's perfect for both beginners and experienced riders alike. A legacy of reliability. The Suzuki DR200 has a legacy that stretches back decades, earning a reputation for being one of the most dependable dual-sport motorcycles ever built. For 2026, Suzuki stays true to that heritage while making subtle but important improvements. This is not a flashy or high-tech machine, it's a workhorse. Riders looking for a bike that can handle the daily commute, backroads, and trails without demanding constant maintenance will find the DR200 a perfect fit. Suzuki's philosophy here is simple: build a bike that runs flawlessly, year after year. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Suzuki DR200 is the tried and tested 199 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled engine. It delivers modest but usable power that's smooth and predictable, ideal for both new riders learning the ropes and experienced riders looking for a dependable runabout. The 5-speed transmission pairs well with the engine, offering crisp shifts and a wide gear range suitable for city traffic or open dirt roads. While it's not built for high-speed performance, the DR200 excels in control and comfort. Its low-end torque is ideal for trail riding and tackling rough terrain, while its lightweight, just around 278 pounds, means you can maneuver it with ease, even in tight spots or on challenging trails. Fuel efficiency and range. One of the standout features of the DR200 has always been its fuel economy, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Suzuki claims an impressive mileage figure of over 90 miles per gallon, making this one of the most fuel-efficient dual-sport bikes in its class. Combine that with a 3.3-gallon fuel tank, and you're looking at a potential range of nearly 300 miles on a single fill-up. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring off-grid trails, fuel stops will be few and far between. Design and ergonomics. The 2026 Suzuki DR200 doesn't stray far from its iconic rugged look. The new model, however, features refreshed graphics and a sleeker body design for a more modern appeal. The seat height remains accessible at 33.3 inches, making it comfortable for a wide range of riders. The ergonomics are upright and natural, reducing fatigue during long rides. Suzuki's focus on simplicity means you get a lightweight chassis built with a durable steel frame, offering both stability and confidence off-road. The narrow body design makes it easy to grip and control, while the comfortable seat. Suspension and handling. The DR200 suspension setup is built for real-world versatility. A long-travel telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock deliver a comfortable ride across uneven terrain. Whether you're tackling gravel roads, forest trails, or city potholes, the DR200 soaks up bumps without losing balance. The front disc and rear drum brakes provide reliable stopping power with excellent feedback, giving you confidence on slippery or unpredictable surfaces. Lightweight 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels wrapped in dual-purpose tires further enhance its off-road capability while maintaining stability on paved roads. This balance makes the DR200 a true dual-sport machine, capable wherever you take it. Technology and features. While the 2026 DR200 keeps things old school, it does get some modern touches. The fully digital instrument cluster now includes a trip meter, fuel gauge, and gear indicator. LED lighting for the headlamp and taillight improves visibility and adds a touch of modern flair. There are also small refinements to the electrical system and switchgear, improving reliability and ease of use. However, Suzuki has wisely avoided unnecessary electronics or ride modes, keeping the DR200 simple, rugged, and affordable. Price and value. Suzuki understands that affordability is a big part of the DR200's appeal. The 2026 Suzuki DR200 is expected to launch at an attractive price of around $4,999, making it one of the most budget-friendly dual-sport motorcycles on the market. For that price, you get a dependable machine that's easy to maintain, cheap to run, and built to last. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki DR200 stays true to what made this motorcycle a legend: simplicity, efficiency, and dependability. It's not about power or prestige, it's about freedom, adventure, and reliability. Whether you're a beginner learning to ride or a seasoned rider looking for a lightweight trail companion, the DR200 delivers a ride that's pure, honest, and enjoyable. Here at Pro Wheelhouse, we believe the 2026 DR200 is proof that classic never goes out of style.